Hello everyone, this is Hana from Volunteer Burnaby, and today I'm going to show you how to do a cool science experiment. It's really simple and easy. Here are the materials. You'll need some cardboard to make a volcano shape, a jar, baking soda, and vinegar. So, first, cut out the cardboard and make like a cool volcano shape. And if you want it to look more realistic, you can decorate it, paint it, and be creative. That's my volcano. I'm just doing this quickly. Okay. Let's see. Next, get the jar and then just wrap it around the jar. Maybe put some tape on it. There we go. Okay, next, get the vinegar and put it into the jar. I filled it up until about here. I don't think you need too much. It depends how much of the eruption you want to see. The more you put in, the bigger the eruption will be. Okay, and I have a big transparent container to use just so that I don't make a mess. So I'm going to put the volcano inside the container. Hopefully you can still see this. Now, for the fun part, get the baking soda. Get about a spoonful or half a spoonful of it, and then put it into the jar. And this is when the eruption will happen. Now it's hard to see because my volcano isn't really shaped well, but to make it look cooler, just spend more time with the cardboard because I only spent a few minutes on it. So make it wrap around all the way. And also, if you want it to be red, then add some red food coloring and then it'll look like a real eruption. Thanks for watching.